Well, hello guys!
Hi guys!
This is a little bit another video.
Yeah.
Because Claudia and I, we were totally sick the whole week. I, of course, more than her. I had the man flu.
Yeah.
But the thing here, I don't know if the man flu is the thing everywhere, but it's the toughest flu you can have. And we had a lot of time to think about the content we are gonna make in the near future here on our YouTube channel. I had time when I was at home because I could work because of the man flu to think about what to do, and I had the time to read all the text we got on Instagram and on YouTube. And so we thought about making a little bit more relevant content and a little bit more helpful content for you guys, because the most of the questions are: how do you edit your pictures?
Yeah.
How do you get that? How do you get that look? How do you edit your videos? And all this stuff. It's talking about editing and shooting pictures, and that was the reason why we were thinking about doing some tutorials here on YouTube or on Instagram. And that's the reason why we thought we make this little update video, talk to you guys, ask you what you would like to know, make a little survey on Instagram. So I will put this video on Instagram and on YouTube. Comment down under the video, tell us in the survey on Instagram what you would like to know about photography, videography, and maybe even about traveling in Switzerland and all this stuff, because we come from here. And if you want to have some tips about Switzerland and Germany and stuff, ask us. That's the reason why we made this little update video, to ask you guys. We have some bullet points down what we're going to do, but for us the most important thing is to answer your questions. And so take a chance to ask us, and we will answer as many questions as we can.
Yeah.
So we're going on here on our little hike through our hometown village. Beautiful fall here, yellow leaves everywhere. Best time for photography, best colors, most colors. After that winter is coming, and then it's getting white and boring, but we also love that. So I throw you guys in some beautiful drone shots just because I want to fly the drone. Then I hope to get some comments from you, and see you guys on the next video and maybe on our first tutorial. And yeah, till then, have a nice time. Bye!
Bye!
Woo. Wasn't that amazing drone footage? So that's another thing you can ask us in our survey and or under the comments and private messages, whatever you want, is tech. For example, we shot this with our amazing new, how's it called? Mavic 2 Pro. We hated the quality of the one, so we took this. And yeah, that's another thing. A lot of questions with what do we shoot, how do we do all that stuff. You can ask us that and we will answer that question. So go down to the comments, comment, and of course leave a like and subscribe to the channel.
Leave a like!
to see the tutorials you voted for. So see you on the next video. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.